Electric coffee mug warmer and fine bone china mug set with automatic shut-off premium 18-watt beverage warmer. Keep temperature up to 131.55 for best gift idea. Office home use, black kit. High quality, this mug's warmer is made of premium materials. The glass material in the heating plate is waterproof, wear-resistant and easy to wipe clean. Safety, can be safely kept on the table. It has safe heating surface with light indicator showing if it's on or off. It has non-skid feet on the bottom to help support your mug and prevent spills. Multi-purpose, this coffee cup warmer can be used for warming coffee, tea, milk, soup, solid oil, gravy, sauces, liquid, baby food or small lunches. Can also be used as candle wax warmer plate. High-quality bone china cup, it is lighter, more delicate and more environmentally friendly than ordinary ceramic cups. It is better with our mug warmer. Easy as pie guarantee. If you have any questions, first contact us directly, and we will do our utmost to solve the problem for you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.